have news from Philippines. The Department of Agriculture predicts a decrease in vegetable retail prices this week as farmers begin harvesting their produce. The decline is particularly addressed in the price of tomatoes, which southern Tagalog farmers have begun gathering. The Department of Agriculture's monitoring of agri-fishery commodities in Metro Manila markets shows that prices have risen in recent years. The increase in vegetable prices in public markets has been attributed to heavy rains and El Niño, which delayed the start of the harvest season in some areas. The Department of Agriculture in the Philippines is considering releasing fuel subsidies to farmers this month due to rising fuel prices. The financial assistance of 3,000 peso will go to around 160,000 farmers own or rent machinery used in crop, livestock, and poultry production. The subsidy grant is activated upon the Department of Energy's certification.